Good morning, students and my dear colleagues. Today we are here to take up an event. As we all know that we are all back of world peacemaking. Lord Ganesh, the global traveler of this universe, he has been taking up all these efforts to ensure we all live in peace. Ahead of this grand event, I like to introduce a global traveler. He was born in Canada, settled in India. He has been phenomenally doing a lot of assessment for the sake of all this, introducing world peace to the all human beings in this universe. So let me have the pleasure in inviting Dr. Sadit Sika onto the stage, and I request him to take up this event. Give him a big round of applause. Thank you.
Good morning, students. I'm not going to take much time. We're going to come straight to the point why I'm here and we are here. You're all ready for today? Are you all ready for this life? Yes or no? Yes. Are you all the winners? Yes. Very good. We want miracles in our life, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We want miracles in life?
Yes, sir.
It happened with me. Many miracles, and it keeps happening all the time. So I'm here to share the reason how miracles happen. So if you do it, if you follow it, I am 100% sure that miracles will happen in your life as well. Okay, now the Ganapati. I hope everyone can see Ganapati here. He's not an ordinary Ganapati. You must have seen many Ganapatis, but it's very different, one of a kind, entirely in the history. He's going to travel the world. We are traveling the world and meeting 1 crore devotees, and then finally we're going to reach Arctic Ocean, North Pole. And I'm sure you know where is Arctic Ocean and where is North Pole, right? Yes, sir. Yes? Yes, sir. So we're going to reach there, and first time ever in the history of mankind, we're going to have Ganesh Chaturthi on top of our planet at the Arctic Ocean at the North Pole. You all know about Ganesh Chaturthi, right? And in any yoga, in fact, in any yoga you ever have done, it's going to happen first time. And immersion will be in the Arctic Ocean. And we're going to stay for more than 9,000 years in the deep in the Arctic waters, taking care of our planet and the mankind. Now, why miracles, how miracles can happen is not something I learned. I just copied Ganapati, in fact. So, I think we all can do the same thing if you believe it. So what we're going to do is, when we all know when Ganapati was told to go around the world, what did he do? Yes, he went around his parents. He has got the knowledge. He understood. Without going the world, he can go around the world. How? He said he understood that the power is with their parents. So we all, if we all, here everyone, please listen to me carefully. If you're not going to be here, if you're not going to focus, you are going to lose. And you're all very fortunate that Ganapati is here. He's not going anywhere, everywhere just like that. You're all blessed and fortunate, and especially should thank a big thanks to your madam, because it's not easy. We have come here. We are going around the world someplace, somewhere, but we are here with you. Now, When Ganapati prayed his parents, we also learn that we should also pray our parents, take blessings from our parents, correct? But you know why? The moment when you take blessings from your parents, you are naturally aligned and connected with your forefathers, your ancestors, most positive energy as well. You know, right? You know, how do you connect your energy with your forefathers? It is only way is through your parents. Whether you like your parents or not. It doesn't matter students or teachers or anyone. This is the secret behind our prosperity and success is we should take blessings from our parents. Agree? You all take blessings from your parents? And then the most important is your teachers as well. Teachers also should take blessings. So what we are going to hear today is, we are going to think of our mother first. We are going to think of our mother first, and father, and your teachers, and then we will do Om 3 times. You know why Om 3 times? We should be very proud that our ancestors have said Om, the sound, and they said that's the most powerful. But recently NASA has said that the natural sound between the planets is Om. So we all should be very proud of our families and our ancestors. So we do Om 3 times, and with all this energy from your parents and your forefathers, and with Om, then we are going to chant Om Gam Ganapati Namaha for 9 times. Okay? Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
You know, Ganapati is very well known for remover of obstacles. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And fulfill wishes. You know why? Did any one of you ever thought you only pray the Ganapati, but you ever imagined the life he had? Imagine one of you with elephant head sitting here. Is it easy? No way. Then in regular life, right from all the time, getting up, sleeping, going anywhere, he must have gone through really hard times. So, with the help of his mother and parents, and he got the energy that he doesn't want any one of you or any one of us to go through what he went through in any ways. So he's got energy to remove the obstacles of anyone. That is why we pray Ganapati. So can we do it now? It's very short for 3 minutes. Can we all ready?
Yes, sir.
Keep your body straight.